All right, so these are just my ladyfingers that I got from Sprouts. We're gonna move this to the side just a slight bit. Grab a bowl that we put in the freezer. I have some heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna put about a cup to 2 cups in there, depending on how much cream you want. Beautiful. We have some powdered sugar. Make it look nice and sweet. That looks great. That's about a cup. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And if you wanna make it festive, you could do a maple extract or a peppermint, but I'm keeping it classic. Maybe a teaspoon and a half.
Why do you put it in the cap?
Because that's a teaspoon.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Now I'm gonna grab my hand mixer, and I did put my whisks in the freezer with my bowl, and we're gonna mix this up. Start slow, get that powdered sugar incorporated.
Oh no, am I in the splash zone?
Yeah. So we're gonna make a super quick and delicious whipped topping to go with those ladyfingers. This is gonna be a fun and festive dessert that is so easy. You can make it on the fly when you find out your guests are on their way. Let's turn this up.
Oh, splash zone. Oh, whoa.
Okay, that looks perfect. Get all of that out. Beautiful whipped cream, homemade. Okay, now we are gonna transfer this to our piping bag that I have ready here. Oh yes, this is gonna be so creamy and delicious. Start with a little and we can add more if we need to. Yummy.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
Whipped cream. The fluffier, the better, right?
I agree.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and twist our top off. Not off. And then we're gonna cut. We want a big hole.
Ooh, huge hole.
Yep. And we're gonna bring in our ladyfingers, and it's time to pipe. Just like so. We just want some
pretty.
fluffy, delicious ladyfingers. Oh my. Now, if you don't have time to make homemade whipped cream, you can use Cool Whip. Works just the same. I actually love Cool Whip, but I wanted something a little special. Since this is gonna be a holiday dessert, put a little extra love in it. Plus, homemade whipped cream is delicious. Beautiful. Look how gorgeous those came out, but we're not done yet. We have to decorate this and make it look festive. Now I'm gonna top this off with some holly and berry sprinkles. And these should just go right on top of that whipped cream. Oh, so perfectly.
Oh, look at that.
Just adding that festive little spark to it. Try to avoid the middle because we want the middle to stay empty, and you'll see why, because we are making this super cute and festive. Okay, almost got enough sprinkles. Now, if you don't like sprinkles, you can skip it, but I'm telling you the sprinkles really make it stand out and look festive. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna bring in some fresh strawberries and kind of just like sporadically place them here and there. Doesn't need to be perfect. It's just gonna add such a delicious little fresh fruit taste to our ladyfinger no-bake dessert. Look how cute these are coming together. Now I wanna add some more green, so I'm gonna get some mint here, some fresh mint, and we are gonna just get little mint leaves and just kind of place it here and there, just like we did with our strawberries. Add a little pop of green because we kind of want to mimic a wreath look here. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, so our wreath needs some holly berries. So I am gonna use these cranberries to mimic that. And those we can even just place right in between the mint or just on their own as like a little cluster.
This is so cool.
Yeah, we're just gonna get those delicious cranberries on there. Look how cute. I just love keeping the colors red and green for obvious reasons. And I want these beautiful little cranberry clusters to look like holly berries. We have one more finishing touch, and it's gonna really tie everything together and add some more green. We have these icing decoration Christmas trees.
Super festive.
Yep, we gotta keep it, you know, holly and jolly. Okay, and we're just gonna pop these out and place them sporadically.
Oh, so cute.
On our little Christmas dessert. Now it's time to dig in, and the best part is you just grab your ladyfinger. Woo! You could even put like a little jam on there. That'd be really cute.
Are they good?
So good, so easy. You guys have to try it.